So in this section, we have to learn the second instruction set, that is a arithmetic instruction. Okay, so let us start now the arithmetic instruction set. Instruction of this group means arithmetic instruction. Instruction of this group perform addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, increment, decrement, comparison, and ASCII and decimal adjustment, etc. The following instructions come under this category. So what are the arithmetic instruction? As we know that arithmetic instruction is nothing but the arithmetic instruction, logical instruction, that is addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, increment, decrement, comparison, and ASCII and decimal adjustment. Means these instructions are performed on a zero and one signal, that is a binary number, on the binary number, and that instruction is performed by the ALU, arithmetical logical unit. So here, what are the arithmetical instruction? Means this operation indicate the arithmetic operation, that is the addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, increment, decrement, etc. So now we have to study which type of instruction come into this category, arithmetic instruction category. The first instruction is add, ADD, add. This instruction perform add data. It adds the data to the accumulator. Means whenever add instruction is encountered in your program, then we have to know that we have to understand that it perform the addition on the data and store its result again to the accumulator. Here the description is given here. It adds the data to the accumulator, that is real or AX register or a memory register, and the data is loaded into the AL or AX register or a memory register. Now second instruction is ABC, add specified operand and the carry statement, that is carry of the previous page. It adds the specified operands and carry the status. Means it also perform the addition, but it can also carry the carry signal of previous states. Okay, now third instruction is just sub, sub. It subtract the immediate data from accumulator, comma memory or register. It subtract the data from the accumulator, comma memory or register. Again, it is stored into the AL or AX register or a memory location. That is the working of sub, means subtract instruction. Now SBB, it is also concerned with the subtract command, subtract instruction. Like subtraction command instruction, SBB instruction also subtract the immediate data with borrow from the accumulator, comma memory or register. Here it generate the borrow, B for borrow, from accumulator or memory or register and subtract it. Now MEL is the multiplication, unsigned 8-bit or 16-bit multiplication. So this instruction perform the multiplication of 8-bit or 16-bit multiplication. It perform 8 or 16-bit multiplication. Now I multiplication sign. So first instruction perform the unsigned 8-bit or 16-bit multiplication, and IMUL perform the multiplication of signed 8-bit or 16-bit multiplication. Now DIV means division. It perform the unsigned 8-bit or 16-bit division. Then here now DIV division. It perform again sign 8-bit or 16-bit division. INC, increment register or memory by 1. In INC means increment register, and increment increment instruction, and increment instruction increment a register or memory by 1. Now decrement. DEC, decrement the register or memory by 1. DAA, decimal adjust after BCD addition. When the BCD number are added, the DAA is used for add or ADC instruction to get the correct answer in BCD. Decimal adjust after BCD addition. That is a DAA. D for decimal, A for adjust, A for after BCD addition. So this instruction is used when we want to add two BCD number. Then first DAA, this instruction is used. After that, ADD or ADC instruction is used to get the correct answer in BCD. Okay, DAA, decimal adjust after BCD addition. Now next instruction is the DAS instruction, decimal adjust after BCD subtraction. First is a DAA, decimal adjust after BCD addition. Now DAS, decimal adjust after BCD subtraction. When two BCD number are added, the DAS is used. Here we use DAS, decimal adjust subtraction is used after the subtraction or SBB instruction to get correct answer in BCD. Okay, means both the method used to perform the BCD number operation, addition or subtraction or addition. Then triple A, AAA, ASCII adjust for addition. Here we adjust the ASCII codes up to decimal digits are added. When the ASCII codes up to decimal digits are added, the AAA used after the addition to get the correct answer in the unpacked BCD. ASCII adjust for addition. When ASCII codes up to decimal digit are added, when we want to add two decimal digits ASCII values, then we use the AAA instruction after addition to get the correct answer in the unpacked BCD, unpacked binary coded decimal BCD numbers. Now next command is a AAD. AAD means adjust AX register for division. Adjust AX register for division. It converts two unpacked BCD digits in AX to the equivalent binary number. This adjustment is done before dividing two unpacked BCD digits. Okay, this instruction is used after the multiplication of adjust AX register for division. It converts two unpacked BCD digits in AX to the equivalent number binary number. This adjustment is done before dividing two unpacked BCD digits in AX by unpacked BCD type. Now next instruction is AAM, means adjust result of BCD multiplication. This instruction is used after the multiplication of two unpacked BCD numbers. AAM means adjust result of BCD multiplication. Adjust result of BCD multiplication. We have to remember that the long form of that instruction, adjust result of BCD multiplication, that is AAM. This instruction is used after the multiplication of two unpacked BCD numbers. Now next instruction is a AAS instruction. ASCII adjust for subtraction. ASCII adjust for subtraction. AAM means adjust result of BCD multiplication. AAS ASCII adjust for subtraction. This instruction is used to get the correct of result in unpacked BCD after the subtraction of ASCII codes of a number from ASCII codes another number. So, so that is the working of AES instruction. AES stands for ASCII adjust for subtraction. This instruction is used to get the correct result in an unpacked BCD after the subtraction of the ASCII code of a number from ASCII code another number. Okay. Now, next instruction is CBW. CBW means convert the sign byte. Convert byte to a sign word. Here we convert a sign byte into the sign word. Okay, CWD, convert sign word to sign double word. Okay, CBW and CWD are the command in which we convert the byte and word byte. Here, CBW instruction convert the single sign byte to a sign word, and CWD it convert the word byte into the double word. That is sign double word. Now next command is a NEG. NEG means it is used to obtain the 2's complement. That is a negative of the content of 8-bit or 16-bit specified register or memory location. NEG is the instruction is used to obtain 2's complement, means to obtain the negative content of 8-bit or 16-bit register, memory location, etc. Now the next instruction is a CMP. It's compare the immediate data. It's compare the immediate data from data or register or memory with accumulator, register or memory location. Here we did the comparison. CMP instruction is used to compare the data from a register or memory with accumulator from a register or a memory. Means comparison is performing here. So that is about the arithmetic instruction. Now in next topic, now in the next session we have to learn the logical instruction. Okay, so there is a 2 minute remaining. So we are again see here for the revision what are the arithmetic instructions. The arithmetic instruction are ADD. ADD means it adds the data to the accumulator. ADC means add specified operand with carry status. Carry status. C for carry status. It subtracts the data from accumulator or memory or register. SBB it generates the borrow. Borrow. Subtract the emitting data with borrow from accumulator memory or register. MUL multiplication. Exit or multiplication or unsigned multiplication. IMUL perform the signed 8-bit or 16-bit multiplication. DID it perform the division of unsigned 8-bit or 16-bit division. Now next command is now next division. I division it perform the division of signed 8-bit or 16-bit. INC increment register or memory location by 1. Decrement DEC is a decrement instruction. DAA means decimal adjust after BCD addition, and DAS means decimal adjust after BCD subtraction.
So here we have to stop here because the length of video will be large and there is a problem in it causes the problem in uploading. So I am stop here.